everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Now we're going to study again how to find the volume of a cylinder. Okay, to find the volume of a cylinder, we have also a formula that we're going to use. The formula of cylinder is volume equals to pi r squared times height. Now, in given number 1 problem, the radius is 6 centimeter and the height is 12 centimeter. Then we're going to find out the volume of a cylinder. So we have to do is substitute from the formula r squared. It becomes now 6 squared. Then the height is 12. So we have to do now is to simplify by multiplying 6 times 6 equals 36 times 12 equals 432 pi cubic centimeter. Or we're going to multiply 432 times 314, which is the value of pi, and now the result is 1356.48 cubic centimeter is the volume of the cylinder. Okay, next number 2. A cylinder with a radius of 3 centimeter and the height of 20 centimeter. Find the volume. So our solution, the same, we're going to use the formula, and we have also to know the value of the pi, which is 3.14. The formula of cylinder, volume equals pi r squared times height, and the given radius is 3, and substitute to r squared, and for the height is also given is 20. Then we have to do is to simplify. 3 times 3 equals 9 times 20 equals 180 pi cubic centimeter. Or we have to multiply 180 by 3.14, and the result is 565.2 cubic centimeter. Okay, next problem, number 3. The volume of a cylinder is 753.6 cubic centimeter and the height is 15 meters. Find the radius. So if you'll analyze the problem, the given is the volume, and height is 15 meters. So missing is the radius. So finding the cylinder radius, the same formula that we're going to use, volume equals pi r squared times height, and the same value of pi that we're going to use, 3.14, because the value of this pi is constant. The next is substitution. We're going to substitute for the value 7 for the volume, 753.6 equals pi, and the radius is no radius given, so the same r squared. Then the height is given 15. Then we're going to multiply 15 times pi equals 15 pi r squared, and the volume just copy only, just bring down, and we have to divide it 15 pi divided by 15 pi both sides of the equation, and the result of this is 753.6 divided by 47.1 equals the radius squared is equals to 16, and we're going to find the square root of 16, so therefore the radius is 4 cm.